Hi, everybody. My name is Jessica Michaud, and I am professional coordinator and business partner of yours, and I'm based in Montclair, New Jersey. And I wanted to do a quick video today for all of us about how to use trend shops, which are one of my favorite tools, as well as how to use the custom mini websites. So hopefully you can all see my screen at this point. I'm going to maybe have to put on my glasses, dare I say. But here you can see the shop.com website, and you can see that I'm logged in as myself. So it says, hello, Jess, your shop consultant is Jessica Michaud. You always want to make sure you're logged in as yourself. This way, you will be earning your commission. You certainly want to make sure your clients are logged in this way so that they'll be earning cash back with all of their purchases. So why we use trend shops, or why I use trend shops, is it's a great way for you to be able to customize a website or customize a link for your clients. So here's a good example. If I'm at a swim meet with a friend of mine and I'm talking to her about something with her or her child, let's say, and we discuss the fact that she has digestive issues, or she might want to join my 21-day program, I might be able to say, I have some recommendations for products for you, and I'll send you a link, and then I can follow up with an email. What I like to do is send them a link that has all the things we talked about in that one link, as opposed to going to the shop.com site and, let's say, sending a link for the digestive enzymes and a link for the aloe and a link for the probiotics and a link for a 21-day challenge, because it's a little bit less user-friendly for the customer. So this is an example of what I mean. So if you go under your name, under where it says Hello Jess, you'll see the word trends. If you click the word trends, it's going to take you to an area where you can say all trends, my profile, create a trend. So before I show you how to create a trend, let's take a look at what the trends are. I just clicked my profile. It's asking me to log back in again. And it's going to have you, the first time you do it, set up a bio. So I always recommend to people, don't have this be the thing that stops you from moving forward. Even if you just put for your title shop.com entrepreneur and in the bio say, I like helping people get healthy, just put something in there and then you can always go back and edit it. But what you can see below is an example of a lot of different trends that I've created, as well as multiple pages of it. So just clicking one, for example, let's say we click this one, which is called Digestive and Anti-Inflammatory Support. If I sent this link to someone, what they would get is a description to support your digestive system. There are key nutrients needed. And then I've listed the 3 that are here. And then below it, you'll see different links directly to those products. So someone could look at this and say, oh, I want to learn about OPC, or I want to learn about aloe or probiotics or the enzyme packets versus the bottle. Now they can click on any of these. It's going to take them to the page within shop.com. They can add it to their cart and they can purchase it. But what I've done basically is create a mini shopping cart for them all in one spot. Okay. So if we go back and take a look at some of my other trends, you can see I have things like Jess's 21-day recommendations. So I might send this to all the people that are in my group to let them have a place where they could research all the different products specific to this. Okay? So let me show you how you create it. So I'm just clicking back up here where it says shop.com. And now I'm going back to where I said my name. So hello, Jess. And then I'm clicking trends. And then I'm clicking here where it says create a trend. So let's say I wanted to create a trend that was, let's say we'll do the 21-day products. What will come up is a screen that looks like this. I might type in here TLS products, or I can type in, let's say, TLS shakes, because I know what products I want. So up comes an image. I can just literally drag this image over of the nutrition shakes. I can make it smaller. I can drag over the whey protein shakes. I can drag over the plant-based shakes. So now I have all the 3 different kinds of shakes that we offer. And maybe I want to have them take a look at the journal as well. And I want them to look at the TLS 21-day challenge kit. Okay. I can create a title here where it says TLS recommendations. Okay. And then on the bottom here, this would just be like using Word, where you could just type anything. Here are my recommendations for getting started with TLS. Okay, I can bold things. Okay, Then I just hit save. This seems pretty intuitive, right? And while it's saving, the next thing that I'll be doing is publishing it so that it goes live on my website. So you can see that my internet connection is slower than it should be. So now it's done, okay? So now this comes back and I can hit publish, and now it's spinning again because it's publishing it. And now it says, congratulations, I have successfully published it, and now I can view it. So if I click view it, this is what we created, right? This was my description. These were the 5 products I put in. Here was my name, and here are the links to all of it. Now, if I wanted to send this to someone, I could click here and send an email right from here. I could click the Facebook link and put it right on my Facebook page if I wanted to. I could, use Pinterest and Twitter. I could like it. Or like everything with shop.com, I could send it in a full email. If I didn't want to do it through that email browser where I just copy and paste this, open up my email browser and send it. Okay? And that way when they get that, they're going to click here and go right to here. So what I love about this is that when you send people to shop.com, sometimes that just might be overwhelming if I just want to narrow the scope, right, for them to get these particular products. Also, what if I put an OPC product in here? If I sent them to my TLS Slim site, the OPC product might not be on there because it's not a TLS product. So another thing that I could do is use a customized mini site, which all of us get with our application fee. So taking a look real quick at what our customized mini site looks like, if you go to unfranchised.com and you go under My Account, My Services, Website Administration, okay? Under here it says Custom Mini. If you haven't set this up, it will indicate for you that you need to set it up, okay? If you have set it up, so see how it says create website for Mexico and Canada, because I don't have those sites set up, but I do have one set up here for the United States. So if I wanted to take a look at it here, I could edit it. It will take me right into this page where I can create it. So what I've got is my name and my address here and my email, and I can pick any layout that I want here. So what you see here right now is the weight management one, but let's say I wanted one that looked more like sports nutrition or just health and nutrition. I could change it to that. Okay, so let's just change it to that for now. So now I can scroll down and I can pick all the different kinds of categories I want in here. So I could include pet supplies and health, nutrition, home store, anything I want. I can then click through here and click all the different products that I want. So let's say I wanted to add Clear Shield to it, and I wanted to add Mocha Tonics to it, and I wanted to make sure the Nutri-Physical was on it, as well as the OPC Chews, okay? I could select all of that. Then I could come here and choose my products. These will be what's on the home page. So if I wanted to put core, I would click core, and you can see it shows up there. Maybe I want the women's health products. Maybe I want Turn Up. You can see that's popping up here. And maybe I want the Omegas, okay? I get to choose 9 images that will show up on the home page. I can also pick a domain name. Now you can see here that domain names are kind of funny, right? Like us.tlswellness.com or uswellnessdifference.com. I can pick whatever I want, but I'll show you in a minute how you can also create a domain name for it. So if I click here and just click Update Website, it's going to update the website. So if we go to this, if we go back to the browser and I hit us. What's mine called? TLS. Sorry, mine was called us.tlswellness.com, and then whatever the end of your URL is, Shop Jess, it's going to take me directly to my site. You can see that my name is here for Presented By, and here are all those images that are on the home page. And just like any other thing, I can click enzymes and it's going to take me into the page to explain this. Now, one of the things you can do is go to GoDaddy.com, which is a domain name purchasing website. So if I go to GoDaddy.com, and I will note that if you have Shop Buddy downloaded, you get 11% IBV. I could click Activate IBV, and I could go right on this website and create a domain name. So what I've done is I've created a domain name called JessMichaudSupplements.com because the US TLS wellness sounds kind of funny. So when you type in JessMichaudSupplements.com, it will send you to that us.tlswellness.com shop Jess. And this is the site we were just talking about. Okay? So again, you have two options to customize things for your clients. One would be, I just clicked back on shop.com. One would be sending them and creating a trend. I encourage you to just try them out and play with them. So as I was noting, if I went back again to like my profile trends, you can see that I'm able to create them for specific clients of mine. So here's something with a client of mine where I was talking to her about bromelain for her son that runs a lot, OPC for inflammation, daily essentials packets were for her. And if she got sent this link, she would go right here and I would have all the things that I said. The bromelain is what Kona takes after every practice. Clients of mine use for rehab, post-surgery. This just echoed my conversation with her. And she had all the 3 product recommendations here. And then the other thing, as I mentioned, was going to unfranchise.com under my account, my services, website admin, and I'm able to create the custom mini website. Okay? Hopefully those 2 things helped you out. Looking forward to talking to you again.